Now going to while loop in PHP. In our control statement, we can also use one of these control statements is while loop to control the flow of things. Means that there are sometimes we want things to flow and reoccur again and again. Means it can loop what we call recursive process or recurrent process. It means it can come again and again until the condition is out or the condition expires. Now this while loop is there is a condition that is set, and when that condition is true, then we can perform what we want to perform. The first thing is, let's look at the syntax of this while loop. Let's say we have a variable that is declared. We have num1 that is declared equals to 20. Then the while loop itself, while going to bracket the condition inside test value. Then I'll put my query, my statement inside here. What should happen? I wanted to echo this value num1 every time that it is true. So to print it out, it will print out, but it will go to infinity. But what we need to do is to put a break into it. Means put a stop or a terminator to it. So we now add an increment. So we have once number the test value is true, what should happen? Means it should have supposed to have it output. Then what should happen? We just simply say num1. We just simply said option plus equals to 1. So it will add 1 to this value, this option. Means the test the option that is coming up. So we can have every time we have this, we can have this option. We call this option. This option is what will be output. So every time this is true, and we compare this value. When this value is true, we output here or echo this option. So let's write a full work there. And so we have num1 equals to 20. But num1 is less than 20, 29, 30, less than 30. Then what should it do? It should do something for me. Print. So let's go ahead, and we have one, and we have the option is now have num1 to do that. So num1 is 20, while num1 is less than 30, echo num1, and if it is true, then add this number to it. Add 1 to num1. So as we said, we declare the variable num1 equals to 20, and the condition is loop condition is while num1 is less than 30. Every time that 20 is less than 30, what should it do? Echo num1. When it echoes num1, then num1 plus 1 is going to continue until num1 is equal to 30, and it will stop. So we have it like that. We tell it to do it. It's going to add it 21, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's break it down here. Let's make something work here. Let's see. Dot have a code here. Now something like break, and save it. Now we can see it, so we can just break it down like that and see how it works. Let's add one or two things to it to make it more than 9. Let's say we are having a 6 number. Let's call this one 6. 6 number. 6 number. We have a 6 number. And we have one 6 number. Now, if you have 6 number and I want to add, say, your 6 number is, the 6 number is just that we will just want to add there. Save the word and we're going to put a dot. Now, concatenate it here. Alright, so it's cool. Now let's go ahead and see what's going to happen there. The 6 number is 20, 21, 22, 23 to 29. Once it's true. So that's how to do our job.